Yeah, man. Hot.
Yo, I'm up on a lane, look here. One of them items them. One of them price list. Seeing? Man said please do not enter the premises to order, use the bell, buzzer or intercom, see that? Man of them opening laws. And the man of the credit bylaws. The requirement for credit is shop with us for a period of 6 months, a copy of your national ID or driver's license, proof of income. Patron must live within the community and a contact number. Bylaws, all credit must be paid within 7 days. If credit is not paid within 7 days, 20% interest will be allotted to late payment. No crediting on Saturdays and Sundays or when business hours is closed. Credit account will be frozen or freeze due to the date is passed. Hey, remember me tell you this bad.